Hey friends, I'm Perchu from Guest from my club and I'm talking about two magical words. Well, let me tell you an example. Suppose you're in an elevator and your hands are full. Someone standing beside you presses the floor button for you. What will you say? Think. Thank you, friends. Say thank you. Thank you is a magical word that attracts kindness and impacts the other person to feel good, and it will make you also feel good. I have one more example for you. Suppose you're in a restaurant and the waiter serves you some delicious food and drinks or shows you the menu. What will you say? Think. I told you in the first example. Thank you. Bye friends, have a good day and thank you. See, I use the word thank you because I'm thankful, and thank you for listening to me. Bye, have a good day.